Alright. Hey, guess what? It's Chuck out of the van in Van City. You know what? It's gonna be out of the van in about a week now. That's what we're looking at for a time frame. Look at it. It's a beautiful day. It's in the neighborhood. Wouldn't you like to be my neighbor? Yes, that's right. 1 week away from moving into a condo, and yeah, it's mixed emotions, as I said before in previous videos, but you know, I'm looking forward to this actually, because you know what, number one reason, I just need change. After 4 years of doing this lifestyle, the little bit of a break I'm kind of looking forward to. And again, it won't be a permanent move, moving into got a squirrel spotted me running over here. So it's not a full move forever, moving into a condo. So you know, we're gonna take it as that, as part of my adventure. And the other main reason, I guess, is to help out Korean girl with her being nobody home. She doesn't want to be alone. That was one of her concerns. She's like, oh, I don't feel like being alone. I don't want to be alone. You have to move in. That was part of it. And to help her out cost-wise, especially in this virus time, because you know what? She's got no money coming in. She's going to have to go off savings, and she applied for unemployment insurance, but who knows when that will start. So, you know, we got to look after each other if this is going to be long-term between us. And we're gonna figure things out on how we want to travel around and where we want to live in that. So that's a lot to process between the two of us. So yeah, and I'm sure I'll probably tell you guys about plans and what happens. So there you go. That's my main reason for moving out of the van, is I just need a break from it, I think, for a while. And whether it stays that way or not, like I say, I might get sick of being cooped up in a house, I'm sure. And so, anyhow, I don't know what else is going to be in this video. So, watch to the end and see what kind of silliness I add.
My wife says 5 days in this shirt is too long. Can't go to the bathroom. Got nothing to wipe with. 'Cause all of the toilet paper is gone. Wasting my day away in Coronaville. Searching for one package of angel salt. Some declares a virus to blame, but I think this might be China's fault.
Alright, my friends, not my best day. I've only slept 5 hours today, so I'm gonna be tired tonight. The second thing was I went to buy chicken. It's cheap enough, $6 for this package. However, it took me like 1 freaking hour. Holy shit. There was a huge lineup at the grocery store. Line up to get in the building, and a line up to get into the till. So, and this is all I needed and all I bought. 1 chicken package, 1 hour. And now it's going to take me a while to cook it, because what I'm going to make is what they call Nashville chicken, which is hot and spicy. So I guess maybe I'll show you, because this is going to be one of my last cooking meals in the van. So what we're supposed to do is soak the chicken in milk and hot sauce and pickle juice. And I don't have milk, so we have this almond soy. I'm gonna use that because that's all I have. I'm using my propane cook stove today because I'm taking it out and getting everything ready to either store or put everything away, so when I move into her place I can do my small repairs on the van. So pickled brine, so we're gonna put a little bit of that in. And of course some very accurately measured cayenne pepper. No. Yeah, perfect, perfect, perfect. That is finely measured, very finely. Ha. Actually, I think I'm gonna heat this up just so it kind of melts together a little bit. Then this here chicken, that goes in there like that. So the plan is to soak it probably for 3-4 hours. Technically, we'd actually want to soak it overnight, but I'm not sure if that's gonna happen. I'm not going to put all the chicken in there. I'm going to put 5 pieces in, and I'm going to take 3 to work and keep it at the fridge at work because I don't have a fridge in the van. Well, I do have a fridge, but I don't use it. So, let's finish this off by doing this. Yeah. Ta-da! Okay, the one thing I forgot to show you what I put in. 1 egg. Ha! I put an egg in. So, yeah, flour, chicken, and cooked chicken. How's it look? Not too bad considering we're cheap bastard style. What? Living in a van? You know what? This was amazing actually. Oh. Sorry. Don't want to see me be a pig, but you know what? Better than what I expected. Sorry about that. Alright, second day of chicken making, and this is what we did. We changed it up a little bit. So I soaked it overnight in the milk, soy milk. Fuck. Shut up. Of course. I soaked it in almond milk mixture with the hot pepper. So I soaked it overnight in the almond milk with some cayenne pepper and obviously, oh, you know what? I forgot garlic. Shoot. So I soaked my 4 pieces of chicken. So I soaked my leftover chicken with almond milk and the cayenne pepper mixture. This time, today, I added a little bit of cornflake crumbs to my... So I soaked my leftover chicken overnight in my almond milk mixture with cayenne pepper and garlic and whatever else. I can't remember now. And today... in the flour section, I added some cornflakes to give it a little bit more crunch. So we're going to try that. Yesterday's chicken was super unbelievable. And today's, I got a feeling, is going to be even better. So, yum yum. Dinner at work tonight and dinner today. So, super good. So, where do we end today's video? And that is right here. Haha, look at this, boys and girls. I'm going to show you what I picked up. So, that's a part of what you'll see in the future. Some more van build stuff, a little bit here and there. I bought a circular saw. So I picked this up. Drill, saw, battery charger. I have 2 other batteries, but my charger broke. And stupid me forgot to keep the receipt to return it. So, but I wanted a circular saw. So we got some building ideas and... we got some more building tools. So that's what we got coming up. Other than that, we're going to end the video by saying, I think next video, we're going to do a countdown to moving out of the van. I think that's the plan. So anyhow, we will end it here by saying, you know, same routine. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. You know what? I should probably do a shout out to you guys too coming up. I've had some great comments, some very positive feedback from you guys. That's why, like I always say, you guys are freaking awesome. So, until the next time, you know, same thing I always say, keep staying awesome. We'll catch you next time. Cheers, and don't forget, be kind, super kind in this trying times. So, cheers.